The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making dietary changes or starting new health routines, especially considering individual biological variability. What if I told you there's a hidden power inside apple cider vinegar that could completely transform your health, and hardly anyone knows about it? Sounds too good to be true? Let's uncover the surprising secret behind this everyday remedy and why it's a game changer for your gut health. Most of us already know that apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is celebrated for improving digestion, reducing bloating, and even helping with acid reflux. You've probably heard it's great for regulating blood sugar and reducing inflammation too. But what if I told you those are just the basics? Here's the truth. ACV holds a hidden potential that goes far beyond these well-known benefits. This isn't just about better digestion. It's about activating a powerful gut healing process that can revolutionize your health. But how exactly does ACV unlock this hidden power? Keep watching to find out. Deep inside your gut, there's a microscopic world of bacteria that plays a massive role in your overall health. Here's the twist. Many of these bacteria, both good and bad, can go dormant, almost like they're hibernating when conditions aren't ideal. So what's the secret to waking them up? It's all about creating the perfect environment. Apple cider vinegar acidifies your gut, and this acidity is the key to activating those beneficial bacteria. These good guys thrive in an acidic environment, while harmful bacteria and pathogens find it hard to survive. Think of ACV as the gardener of your gut, cultivating a thriving, healthy ecosystem that supports your body. For example, if you've ever experienced a sudden boost in energy or mental clarity after improving your diet, it's likely because your gut bacteria woke up and started working in your favor. Now imagine that effect multiplied across your entire microbiome simply by adding a tablespoon of ACV to your daily routine. It's not just a drink, it's a game changer for your gut health. Here's the simple science. Your gut bacteria, especially the good ones, prefer a lower pH, meaning a more acidic environment. When you consume ACV, you're lowering the pH in your digestive system, creating the perfect conditions for beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus to thrive. Even better, this environment encourages certain microbes to produce butyrate, a powerful compound linked to reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. But there's more. Harmful bacteria like E. coli and H. pylori despise acidic environments. By acidifying your gut, ACV essentially suppresses their activity or even puts them to sleep. The result? Fewer gut-related issues, reduced inflammation, and clearer skin, since many skin problems are rooted in gut imbalances. And the benefits don't stop there. Your gut health has ripple effects across your entire body. It directly influences your mood, immune system, and energy levels. In fact, studies suggest that a healthy gut can improve sleep quality, boost mental focus, and even enhance your overall well-being. According to a 2019 study published in Nature Microbiology, maintaining a balanced gut microbiome plays a significant role in your overall health. Did you know your gut bacteria could influence your mood, immune system, and even how you process nutrients? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Speaking of which, don't forget to always consult your doctor or a healthcare professional before starting any new health routine. Remember, everyone's body is different, and results can vary widely based on biological variability. This is especially important if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. How to harness the hidden benefit of ACV. Take 1 tablespoon of ACV and dilute it in a glass of water. Drinking it in the evening can help your gut prepare for overnight healing. Use a straw to protect your teeth from the acidity, and for added flavor and health benefits, squeeze in some lemon. Choose high-quality ACV with the mother, like for maximum potency and benefits. Many people report noticeable improvements, like better digestion and reduced sugar cravings in just 1 or 2 weeks. However, individual results may vary based on factors like diet, lifestyle, and overall health. But how does ACV compare to other acidic foods? Stick around to find out. Your gut environment, or terrain, is the foundation of your health. Foods like kombucha, sauerkraut, and kimchi also help create an acidic environment, but ACV stands out because it's incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Think of it this way. Just like you thrive in a clean, organized space, your gut bacteria thrive when the conditions are just right. By consistently acidifying your gut with ACV, you're setting the stage for better digestion, stronger immunity, and even increased energy levels. Speaking of natural remedies, did you know that castor oil can play a powerful role in supporting your skin and hair health? It's another incredible tool for your wellness toolkit. Be sure to check out our video on castor oil for tips on how to use it effectively. Let's talk about the bad guys. Certain factors can wake up harmful pathogens, including stress, poor diet, and vitamin D deficiency. These triggers weaken your immune system, giving dormant pathogens the opportunity to thrive. Stress, for example, doesn't just make you feel tense, it actively suppresses your immune system, creating the perfect conditions for harmful bacteria to wake up and cause trouble. On the bright side, ensuring you get enough vitamin D can bolster your immune system, helping to keep these harmful microbes in check and support overall gut health. Have you ever noticed how stress or lack of sunlight affects your health? Share your thoughts in the comments below. All in all, here's what we've learned. Apple cider vinegar improves digestion, activates good gut bacteria, suppresses harmful microbes, and supports your overall health. By creating the right environment in your gut, you're setting yourself up for better digestion, improved immunity, and even a happier mood. Ready to start your journey? Just 1 tablespoon of ACV a day can make all the difference. Want more natural health hacks? Check out our video on kombucha's surprising benefits. It pairs perfectly with what you've learned today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's curious about gut health. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. And remember, your health journey starts with small, simple steps, like a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. See you in the next video.